how to get your train looking perfect on your wedding day. One of the most common mistakes that I see is that people grab the train and let go of it too high up, and it just ends up looking a mess, and the train falls exactly where it wants to go rather than where you want it to be. What you really want to do is grab the outermost edges of the train that you can reach to, guide it up, and then guide it back down slowly. This means that the train falls where you want it to be rather than where it will naturally fall. It will softly float to the ground, and then you can titivate with all the edges, making sure that everything looks absolutely perfect. You then have the chance to do exactly the same process with the veil to make sure that it lays perfectly on top of the train. And there you have it, the perfect train on your wedding day.